He's gonna hit it. Yep, there it is.
What's going on, mother truckers? I had so many subscribers ask me about that incident that happened in Portland, Maine last week, where a truck driver tried to make a left and he couldn't, and he hit one car on the left, he hit a piece of the wall, and then he hits another car that's parked, tries to back up, and then hits a SUV, which ended up being an unmarked police officer's car. And he's pretty much there for about 20 minutes, struggling pretty bad. Now, I've been in situations where they were just tough, they were scary, and I mean, I pretty much saw black. Like, I was so nervous and so scared. And so, a lot of people in the comments said, why didn't someone try to help him? There is truth to that, but other parts to that is, he was probably so nervous that he was just trying to get out of there. I mean, fully. There was probably about 20 cameras on him. But here's the thing. They still haven't found him yet. Now, here's a part of the clip that a lot of people haven't seen is after he leaves, not more than probably 2 minutes later, a police officer arrives and they say that he makes a left.
He's that way. He went left.
Just letting you guys know, semi trucks are extremely slow. Okay, especially because he had his Jake brake on. And so he's driving, and I mean, I know he had a 2-minute lead time, but the police officers couldn't find him. They ended up finding his tractor in one location and his trailer in another, meaning that he understood the assignment of let me try to ditch the tractor and trailer in two different places so it looks like they have nothing to do with each other. Now, they found the location of the tractor and trailer, but they still can't find him. They found the owner of the truck, where his mama lives, where he named his first dog on his first street, but they can't find him. So all I got to say is he's not at my house. And second, he's gone, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. A situation like this, you just have to stop. If you make a mistake and you hit one car, just stop. Most that's going to happen is, hopefully, of course, you should have insurance. Of course, if he's working for a boss, and he just would have had a little sting on his record, and that would be it. But now he's living in possibly Mexico because he made a wrong left turn. I'm not here to say anything about the person. I'm just here to tell you that's not worth it. So, for everyone that's out there that's watching this, definitely, if something goes wrong, wait. And if something hasn't gone wrong yet, just wait. Mother truckers, comment down below.